Hello everyone, the topic is potential energy of an electric dipole in external electric field. So now consider let E be the uniform external electric field acting in the positive x direction. So this is uniform electric field acting in the positive x direction. This is direction of electric field. Now place an electric dipole in this uniform electric field having charge minus q at point A and positive q at point B. So this is the midpoint of dipole. O is the midpoint and the length of dipole is 2a. So this portion is A, this is also A. Draw a perpendicular here, one is here. So this is A dash, this is B dash, this angle is theta and this portion is A cos theta, this is also A cos theta. So this is the base. So to find the potential energy of the dipole in an external electric field, use this equation. We know that the potential energy due to two charges in an external electric field is given by the previous equation, which is equal to q1 v is a function of r1 vector plus q2 v is a function of r2 vector plus q1 q2 over 4 pi epsilon naught r12. This is the potential for 2-point charges in an external electric field. So using this equation for this dipole, we will put q1 is equal to q, q1 is equal to q, q2 is equal to minus q for this dipole. So this equation becomes the potential energy is equal to, put q1 is equal to q v is a function of r1 vector, q2 is equal to minus q, v is a function of r2 vector. This is equal to q1 is equal to q, q2 is equal to minus q, so here is q square over 4 pi epsilon naught r12. So this is the potential energy due to this dipole. 2a is the length of dipole, so put here r12 is equal to 2a. r12 is equal to 2a. Because this is the length of this dipole, so potential energy is equal to q v r1 vector minus q v r2 vector minus q square over 4 pi epsilon naught 2a. So this is the potential energy. We know that the potential energy between two locations is equal to the work done in bringing the unit positive charge from location R2 to R1. So this is the work done. So work done is equal to force into displacement. Work done is equal to force into displacement. This is equal to, force is F is equal to QE, this is into displacement. Displacement is from B dash to A dash. So this component is A cos theta, this component is also A cos theta. So the total displacement is minus 2a cos theta. This is the work done. Work done in the term of potential difference is also equal to V is a function of R2 minus V is a function of R1. Means because the potential at B point, VB minus VA. The negative sign shows that potential decrease in the direction of E. Negative sign show that this potential decrease in the direction of E vector. So say that this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Equate equation number 2 and 3. From equation number 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, we will get V R1 vector minus V R2 vector is equal to minus E, this is into 2a cos theta. We can also write this equation as VA minus VB. So that's why here is VR1 minus VR2, because negative sign means potential decrease in the direction of E. That's why here is negative sign. So from equation number 1, the potential energy is equal to Q is common minus Q E 2a cos theta. This is the value of V is a function of R1 minus V is a function of R2. Q is common, so here is minus Q E 2a cos theta minus Q square over 4 pi epsilon naught into 2a. This is the potential energy. For a given dipole, this quantity is constant. This whole quantity is constant. This is constant. So the potential energy is equal to minus Q E 2a cos theta. We will left only with this first quantity, and it is equal to minus Q 2a E cos theta. So the potential energy is equal to minus Q into 2a is P, dipole moment, P E cos theta. Potential energy is equal to, we can write it in the form of dot product, because A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So this is the expression for potential energy in an external electric field. If theta is equal to 0, degree, then the dipole has minimum potential energy. Potential energy is equal to minimum. So when the dipole is aligned with the field, the dipole has minimum potential energy. As we know that when the dipole is placed in uniform electric field, it experiences torque. When dipole is placed in uniform electric field, E, it experiences torque. Tau is equal to P cross E, which tend to bring the dipole in the direction of field. because we know that tau is a turning effect of a force.